Hey guys, it's your baby girl Joanna Jadelia, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to temporarily dye your hair using the hair paint wax. So today I'll be using the Crazy Color hair wax in the color of red. So yeah, so I'm just gonna make sure you have some gloves and for protection, because this can get a little dirty. Okay, so here is my hair paint wax. I decided to choose color because of the season. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo this and be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the back like I always do. So I'm going to get my hair paint wax, and that's me here. So I've used this before, so I'm not using it on full. And I'm just going to start with the bottom of my hair, put it in a generous amount, to be honest. And then go into my root and just work it through my hair. No, I didn't going ham with it, as in with a lot, because I wasn't too sure if it would get me through my whole head. So I kind of went in, scarce, and then afterwards I was finished my whole head and I still had wax left back. I was able to come back and do some more touch-ups. So also I will tell you to work like that also, because over time the color can get dull and faded. So if you plan to make this last long, I would say, try not to use all your wax one time, so that you can touch it up and make it more vibrant as you go along. So I'm just going to continue and work it through my hair until most of my strands are, equally colored and I don't really see that much black. And yeah. So just working it through, and now I'm satisfied with that for right now, so I'm just going to twist it up. And I find like the hair paint wax really adds curls to your hair. Like, it really defines your curls. So after I twist, I'm just going to twist it up into a bantu knot, and yeah, I'm just going to continue and do the rest of my head and be right back. Okay guys, so here we are. I wanted it to really look as natural as in my hair, so I really went onto my scalp. So you also have to put that hair wax on your scalp if you really want it to get that red look, or in this case burgundy. And yeah, so look at that curl also. Like I told y'all, definition, like all I have in my hair really is the hair paint wax and I guess conditioner from days before. But yeah, so that is basically all it is, your hair paint wax. You don't have to use the Crazy Color brand, but that's the one I use, and I didn't even use my entire wax. So here it is now after I took out my bantu knot, and look at those curls, and then I undid the twists, which you see on this side here, and look how defined my hair really is, you guys. And this is where I just really do it more, just showing you all. You see that color now comes back popping. I was really happy with this. And then all I'm going to do now is just gonna get my pick and just pick my hair to satisfaction, to be honest. And that is it, guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below for more beautiful content, guys. And thank you for watching, and bye.